How will you handle the challenges when you have multiple WooCommerce stores and a large range of products? WooCommerce Multistore plugins could help you manage product data and stock across multiple stores. In this video, we will familiarize you with some of the best WooCommerce Multistore plugins. But before we get on with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so that you don't miss out on great content on WordPress and WooCommerce. Why do you need to create multiple WooCommerce stores? One of the common scenarios is when you have a vastly diverse catalog. You may not want to offer designer clothing and hardware supplies in one store. Or, you may want to keep different sites for different international locations. Sometimes you may want to keep wholesale and retail stores different. For all these cases, you can create multiple WooCommerce stores. However, it can get really complicated when you have to manage product information, inventory, orders, customers, reports, etc. separately for each store. This is where the WooCommerce Multistore concept could come in handy. According to your business model, you may need to sync product data, inventory, and orders, and also be able to use specific approaches to individual stores. The idea is being able to manage aspects of multiple stores from a single dashboard. Let us see more about some of the popular plugins that you may find useful while managing multiple WooCommerce stores. This plugin allows you to manage an unlimited number of sites from a single admin page. It enables you to manage multiple stores through multiple domains, subdomains, or subdirectories. Moreover, you can access all the products from all the stores from a single location. You can connect multiple WooCommerce stores that stand alone on different servers, as well as ones that are in a WordPress multi-site environment sharing resources. The plugin offers great flexibility with automatic stock management options. You can use the same stock to sell in multiple stores, or keep separate stock quantity for each store. Similarly, you can view and manage orders from all stores in one place. In addition, you can export orders from all stores or specific ones via CSV or XML. The plugin supports all WooCommerce product types and helps to keep different descriptions in different stores. Moreover, you can set up different languages, currency, and payment options for each store. This plugin will help you sync product data among multiple stores in a WooCommerce Multistore environment. Whenever you modify the details of a product in one store, it will reflect in other stores as well. Moreover, it will sync the media associated with the product as well as categories and tags between multiple stores. Also, you will find options to sync inventory, as well as make specific price adjustments to each store. This plugin helps you bring all your stores together to form a marketplace with single cart and checkout. So your customers can add any product from any store to the cart. The plugin integrates flawlessly to all the shops running in the multi-site environment. And it works with all domain types including custom domains, subdomains, and subfolders. Overall, the single cart setup is simpler for customers, and they can access all the stores with the same user account. You can address one of the common issues that you may face while creating multiple sites in the same environment with this plugin. When you set up multiple stores, you may need to copy products from one site to another. WooCommerce Multi-Site Duplicator plugin helps you manage this pretty easily. It helps you duplicate a set of products from one site to another site, or to all other sites in the network. In fact, you can copy everything related to a product including images, taxonomies, attributes, variations, and metadata. Hopefully, these plugins will help you manage multiple WooCommerce stores more efficiently. You can find the detailed article in the description with links to all the plugins. There are also mentions of some suitable themes and tips to improve your WooCommerce multi-store strategy. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos, and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on our social media channels. If you have any ideas, suggestions, and topics to cover related to WordPress and WooCommerce, Do let us know in the comments section.